This is a video on how to rebuild your kobalt ratchet. Your kobalt 337314 ratchet. They don't make these no more, but I ended up rebuilding mine with a 90 tooth ratchet. So to rebuild it, it's gonna be about $33. You have to buy the new 90 tooth kobalt ratchet. Part number is 337313. And those parts will fit into your old ratchet. The old ratchet is a 36 tooth. Everything fits. Everything out of that fits in here. All the bolts, everything, the plate. And then it turns into a 90 tooth ratchet. Yeah, I could not find no videos on it. Somebody said the Craftsman one might fit in here, but I checked it and it will not fit. The Craftsman one's too small. The gear, it's a 36 tooth, but this gear right here is too small. As you can see, this one fits perfect. Perfect. Yeah, I didn't want to give up my ratchet. I didn't have nobody to help me figure out how to do this, so I just went and figured it out myself. Now I got an extra long 1/4 inch ratchet fixed. That's a 90 tooth instead of a old 36 tooth, so it's like an upgraded model. The only downfall is you have to buy this ratchet. $30 to repair it, but to me it's worth it because look at the length difference. Thanks for checking out my video. Oh, another thing before you, I bought this at Lowe's. Alright, thanks. Watch my video.